या जहाँ जहाँ भगवान बुद्ध ठहरे हुए हैं वहाँ वहाँ राजा अशोक या अपना पाप रचित आज ये अशोक स्तंभ नाम रखा, आज उसका नाम अमर है, अभी तक ले नाम।
Most of the Confluence you can see that it was established here at the border of Nepal. That is the Himalayan terrain you can see, and a footing of establishment was started from this place. Then after that it was spread all over India. Where it ruled very well, it was very confined. The Vidyarva ashram, the ashram which is known for Gandhi Satyagraha. This is the same place that where Mahatma Gandhi established his small cottage here to start his Satyagraha movement. In the Champaran, it's the land of Satyagraha, and Gandhi was here at the time of the freedom struggle that time. So this is the whole area of Himalayan terrain, and it's very beautiful. It's at the lap of the nature, and you can see down that Himalayan range and the border of Nepal in the middle of jungle, and it's an adventurous trip for anybody, those who want to feel the nature, who want to do the adventure trip. So this is the place that where you can explore all the jungle area, just at the bottom of Himalaya. It's a part of Champaran, Bihar, in the Champaran district. Of forest which is in Champaran. You can take a tour of inside the jungle, that where the different kind of wild animals are.